Hello everyone, welcome to Conscious Nepal YouTube channel again. As always, today I am going to present some useful logic in Excel that how we can autofill the blanks by using simple formula. Here I have caste and ethnicity data of my country, and here are the district, and column A has province and column C has at the local level. So I'm gonna fill up that this blank should be like all of this caste and ethnicities belongs to this local level, this local level. So I'm gonna just fill up that all of these blanks up to here by this local level. So you can do this by clicking on here by double click, but this is going to be time consuming and it won't work if you have quite a large data scale. So today I'm just going to show you that how we can fill up all of this blank by using simple formula. I just want to that up to here I want to autofill by this district, and by province 1 I just want to fill up to row number 4270 by province 1. So this is gonna be very easy. For this, first of all you have to select entire column and you need to go to special and blank and OK. It's gonna select all the blank field and the column C, and you need to press Ctrl and your cursor should be the first cell after you wanna fill the blanks, and you have to click on here and just leave the Ctrl key and press equal to, and again press Ctrl and click this first one, and then you have to press Ctrl and enter simultaneously, Ctrl and enter. It's completely working. I am also gonna replicate the same method. Go to special blank, press Ctrl and equal to this one, and simultaneously press Ctrl and enter, and it's also fill all the blanks up to the next district, province 1, go to special blank, OK, and press Ctrl equal to, and this province 1, then easily press Ctrl and enter. It's also working. Let's check. Here we have the data that we wanted to autofill all the blanks, and if you want to remove all of this set it formula, you can copy and paste as numerable. You just can select all the table by pressing Ctrl A, and you can sort your data to remove all of this blank, and that can be done by cast column and A to Z. Now all of the blanks are at the bottom of your dataset, so you can remove all of this blank by Ctrl, Shift and down key to select all of the blanks at a hand, and you can delete all of these blanks, and you can order as you have the original data as before. You need to set all of this data, and you can now sorting all of the labels by province number, and then what, and then district, and then local level, and you can Now you can have province number 1 first, and then district and the local level, and that's it for today, and stay tuned with me, and goodbye for today.